Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Amazon account using login and security tools, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore your Amazon account using login and security tools, begin by navigating. Locate the account and lists menu at the top right corner of the page. Click on Sign In. Afterward, select Forgot Your Password. You will be prompted to enter the email or mobile number associated with your account. Once you've entered your information, click on the Continue button. Check your email or mobile device for a verification code from Amazon. Enter the verification code in the provided field on the website. Click Continue again to proceed. Next, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that meets Amazon's requirements. Once you've set your new password, click on the Save Changes button. Your account should now be restored, granting you access. If you face issues during this process, return to the sign-in page. Look for the option Need More Help? Click on it to access Amazon's account recovery page. Follow the instructions provided for further assistance. You can also verify your identity through security questions if prompted. In case of further complications, consider contacting Amazon customer support. This concludes the step-by-step guide to restoring your Amazon account using login and security tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restart. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.